Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is in collaboration with Tinashe Hair. Y'all already know I absolutely love Tinashe Hair. They have amazing wigs, and this is definitely one of the best ones, okay? Because this one is so low maintenance. This is the unit. All you have to do is put it on your head. They pre-cut the lace. This is a 5x6 lace closure, so you have so much parting space to play with. You can do the side part, the middle part, pretty much whatever you want, but you don't have to glue it down at all. This is a truly glueless unit. I will be back with the specs and my first thoughts after I do the styling portion, but right now let's get into the unboxing. Today's unit is from Tinashe Hair, and it came in this white box, and it has like a few little pastel colors on it. Inside the box is a care and info card right at the top, as well as the unit, which is glueless pre-cut 5x6 lace closure wig in deep wave. It's 24 inches, and inside the cap it does have 3 combs, adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. They did everything, including cut the lace for you in a zigzag, so you don't even have to cut the lace. That's the great part about it. I also have a pink bag of goodies. Inside of that was an invisible wig cap, a purple bonnet, a melting band, a natural mink eyelashes, 2 red duck clips, small bobby pins, as well as a baby hair brush. Off camera, the hair was washed and conditioned, and now we are going to apply this unit to our head, and we are not going to be using any glue today. Okay, so I'm taking my tail comb and I'm just trying to figure out where I want my parting space, and we are going to deepen that C part because I want it a little deeper, and then we're going to take out some baby hairs in the front. Okay, I'm adding some wax stick to the parting space so I can hot comb it down. The wax stick definitely helps with setting your hair in place. And if you have to repeat it, you do it many times as you need. I parted out the baby hair, and there was a little piece that I wanted to kind of like, just include in there. So I took my smallest hot comb and I created a curl. Then I sprayed my baby hair brush with the Got to Be Glued spray, and I molded my baby hairs a little bit. Then I decided to add a little bit of edge control, and I'm using my even edge control, okay? And I just put a little bit towards the top, and then I combed it using the other side of the baby hair brush. Then I sprayed some more Got to Be Glued, but I sprayed it next to the parting space, and I took my hot comb and I just hot combed everything in place to create just a little bit more like, neatness. Because I felt like the curls were kind of all over the place. So after that, I added my face powder to the parting space, and then I also added it to the front of the lace using a bigger brush, just so that it could match more with my skin complexion and you could not see the lace. And this was my finished look. Okay, so I'm back with my finished look, and it is gorgeous. Okay, if I do say so myself, this hair is from Tinashe Hair. This is their pre-cut 5x6 lace closure wig in 24 inches, and the texture is deep wave. Deep wave is sort of like curly hair, so all you have to do is wet this hair and go. This unit would definitely be perfect for the summer, not only because it's low maintenance, but because all you have to do is put this wig on your head. I did not add any adhesive, any glue, any tape, nothing. Okay, so I wanted to do a close-up so y'all could just see how this unit looks up close. And look at this. It is not glued down. Just show you, I could run the comb straight across with no issues. I'm also gonna just lift it because it is not glued on. But look how natural it looks. Okay, so once again, this is the pre-cut, which means they cut the lace for you, and they did it in a zigzag, so you do not, like, it's not as noticeable, because I told y'all before, when I used to cut straight across, I could literally always see the line of demarcation, but with the zigzags, you don't see anything. Like, it's very, very subtle. So I love that they are listening and they got it right with this unit. This unit is perfection. Like, it is literal perfection. But anyway, the 5x6 lace closure gives you so much room to play with, and the fact that it is glueless is amazing, because a lot of people don't know how to, you know, play around with the glue, and it becomes messy and sticky. So this is a glueless unit that you could just put on your head and go. So it's going to be the most low maintenance type of wig you could get. So I would definitely recommend it. I've been wearing it for 3 weeks, and honestly, I haven't been dealing with anything crazy. I haven't been dealing with a lot of shedding at all. The longer you do not do your hair routine, your curly hair routine, your hair will start to mat up in the back, but that's because you aren't taking care of it. So I would suggest you do your curly hair routine either every night or every other night. And I know that seems like a lot of maintenance, but it really isn't. It really isn't, because it's a unit. You could do it at night, put it on your wig stand, and then in the morning it is ready for you. This is going to be the perfect summer curly hair, okay? So I have no complaints. I'm going to give this hair a 10 out of 10 because it is literal perfection. Perfection, I promise you. I love this hair. So I'm gonna have the links to Tinashe Hair down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you to my next video. Bye, y'all.